Alright guys, welcome back to next video on creating simple HTML layout with Bootstrap 4. We are continuously building our new single page template, and in this video I'm gonna continue making our next section. So for next section of my site, I want to open a section with class of product and ID of product. I want to open a container and let's open row and let's open a column of width 12. Now let's give this section a heading, and I think this section will feature some product and services, so let's try that. Let's give this heading some classes, and first class I want to give is text center, and heading of this section is products and services. Let's come down here and we will adjust this margin and padding later on, but for now I think this is okay. Let's open another row, and for this little section I want to create 3 columns and showcase our 3 products. So to do that, let's create 3 small columns, and in each I want to add a card. So let's start adding the card. To do that, let's open a div with ID of class of card, and text white. We will use text white, and we will use background of success, and that will match our green kind of theme, and we will give margin bottom of 2. Let's open card body and let's create card title. Let's continue. After card title, let's move on to card text. For that, you have to open a paragraph with class of card text. Okay, and this looks good. Now I want to create another 2 cards. So in total and in large screen you will have 3 cards in a row. Okay, so to save some time, let's just copy this and paste it here. We have another card and paste it here. Let's just change title only. Okay, so let's see the outcome here. Let's go to style. After that, remember that we have given our section class of product, so let's style this. First thing I want to do is text align to center. Next thing I want to do is give it some padding. I want to give top and bottom padding of 50 pixel and left and right padding of 0 pixel. Okay, so this looks good. I think I'm gonna leave it at that. Okay, now let's work on another section. Let's give this a little HTML comment. Okay, now next section that I want to work on is let's create small gallery. It won't be that complex, but I want to make sure that there are a few photo showcases which we can display on our main homepage. Okay, let's create a photo gallery. Now let's open a section with class of gallery and ID of gallery. Let's open up a container. Let's give this section a title as we have done previously, and this section is, let's give the name of photo gallery. Okay guys, by this time I think you will have some idea about the repeating nature of some classes and how same things are being repeated. Again, it's not a complicated layout, it's just absolutely simple layout, and the main theme of this Bootstrap series is to kind of string together few classes of Bootstrap and create a layout based on that. So my goal is not about creating complicated layout, but it's about taking things together and making a simplest possible template using Bootstrap classes and writing as few custom CSS style as possible. Okay, so just like in our previous section, we have opened 3 columns. That's exactly what I would like to do here as well. So to do that, let's open up a row. I will give it an ID of image gallery, and let's continue creating a column with width of 4. That's it's called in medium screen. It will take up 4 space, and let's add our images here. Let's give, I think I'll use images which I have already used in our sliders. So let me see those slider images name. Okay, that's images and slider 1, 2 and 3. Okay, I think I'm gonna reuse these images here as well, but again obviously use different images, but to save time let me just use these images. Okay, excellent. I have created a link, and this link will open up the images if user actually clicks the image. So to display image, let's open up an image tag. Our image URL is this one. Let's give it an alternative tag. It can be anything. Okay, and lastly I want to give this image a Bootstrap class called image fluid. So what this class does is make our image responsive. Okay, so even though this image is fairly large, that little class is containing this image very nicely. So I think it looks good. Okay, now again, if you want to add caption for this image, let's add a caption, no problem. It's not that difficult. Let's open a paragraph tag, and I want small text caption, so let's open a small tag and load them 6-word caption. I think this should do it. Okay, so here you go. This is the caption. It's not bad, but I think this link on caption is not looking that nice. So what I want to do is place this caption after my anchor tag. Okay, this is okay, I guess. Nice. Now guys, time to do some copy and pasting again. You see, it's not that difficult. There's only one column. Let's replicate it. Let's make it 3. Let's change the images. My images name are slider 1, slider 2, and this is slider 3. Okay, nice. Let's see the result. Okay, not bad, not bad. Okay, this looks good, I think. Again, if you want to add 6 images, just copy these 3 image link and just add another 6, and there we go. Okay, let's go to style and do some styling here. As you can see, I need to give some space and padding and small things like that. So let's target this. Okay, first thing I want to do is I think I have given it a class of gallery. Let me check. Section with class of gallery. Okay, first thing first, let's align this text to center. Okay, these texts are left for now. I want to take it to center. Okay, nice. This will carry our caption text to center. Padding just like above, section and section above. Let's give it a padding of 70 pixels on top and bottom and 0 on left and right. Okay, this will give us some space. And for whole section I want to change background a bit, so for that let's change this color to white smoke. Okay, it's kind of grayish white color. I don't know if you have noticed that it's really subtle, it's not that differentiable. Okay, okay, I think this looks good. Okay, I think this will be it. If you click these images, you can see the full image. Again, you can add some third-party plugins to make these images pop up in a model or something like that. You can add lightbox and things like that. Okay guys, I think that's it. Thank you, and of course don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you.